Good morning student. In today's video we will cover up the switch statement. So in this video we will cover this particular topic. What is switch statement, syntax of switch, uses and its program by doing practical. So this is your computer teacher Sandeep Kundu. In Java we have used the if-else ladder to execute a block of coding among multiple blocks. However, the syntax of if-else-if ladder are very long. Hence, instead of it, we can use switch statement. So this is the syntax of switch. Switch within these variables we have written, that means condition case 1. It means condition first. Value to be executed, and after that break we have written. So break is nothing but a terminate from switch. Again, if it is false, it will goes to checking over here another case 2. If case 2 is satisfied, this statement to be executed and it will be terminated. And if none of these satisfied, default will be executed. So on this way switch statement will work. This is the flow diagram of switch statement. This is the expressions. Expression is nothing but a condition. If case 1 is satisfied, it will goes to follow the code 1 block. If it is not satisfied, it will goes to check in case 2. If it is satisfied, it will execute case 2 block. If it is not satisfied, again it goes to case 3. So simultaneously it will be moves. If none of these satisfied, it will comes to default. On this way switch statement is work. So basically switch statement execute the expression and compare if with values of each level, that means case. Now if the value of matches in certain areas, all the statement of matching level to be executed. For an example, if variable expression is equal to value 2, in this case the statement of matching with the statement 2 and to be executed. Let's take as a practical. So this is your BlueJ screen. We'll see over here by doing practical so that it will be more clarify. First of all, declare this is my class. Now I will declare the main function. Within it string args. Here in these programs we are not taking any value, so that is why we are not calling any package, or neither I am writing over here throws the exception after main. I am taking one variable, let's say 1, his value is 2. This is variable a as an integer and the value of a is 2. Now I will write over here switch. I will pass over here the expression. Here case a, this is colon, case 1 colon, not a semicolon, colon. Suppose I am writing over here system.out.println Monday, and then after break as per its syntax, case space 2. This is Tuesday. Similarly, and if none of these satisfied, then default. So similarly default is none of the condition is satisfied, it will be executed. Suppose one message to be executed. Let's say invalid choice. This is the ending of switch. and after that main will be closed, and after that class to be closed. Let's see by compiling. Here compile processing, some error is finding system.out.println. Here println t means again we will go for the compile because error occurs. Okay, here no syntax error, so we can go for the running. This is your test class. Go to the main, click it. Okay, so the value of a we have initialized 2, so that is why it is coming as output Tuesday. Else you can check it, the program code, what's the value we have taken. You can change it. Suppose I have taken over here 12, so here no 12 condition are there. So as per the program default to be execute, you can check easily. Close it and run it. Right click on it, goes to void main, click it OK. See over here, invalid choice. This one coming is for last run. Runs once again so that it will be clarified. It will be comes over here in invalid choice because the value of a we have initialized 12. So here till case 12 is not there. That is why default is working. Hopefully it is clear. Thank you.